Hello everybody. If you found an elixir, Amudam, which would give you health and vitality from head to toe, would you use it or simply throw it? Think about it. Now let's see some mythology. According to Greek mythology, Apollo, the sun god, is also the god of medicine. The early morning rays of sunlight are said to be the Ashwini twin brothers, who are the sons of Lord Surya. They are also called the god of medicine and the physicians of heaven. You are guessing it right. The elixir or amudam I talked about is sunlight. We can see how our ancestors tried to convey the importance of sunlight and its health and medical benefits in mythology. In this video, we shall see few health benefits of sunlight. As it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, let's see the effect of sunlight on breast cancer. Extensive studies show that women who spend a lot of time outdoors had lower risks of developing breast cancer than those who spend very short time outdoors. Sunlight exposure has also shown inverse effects on breast cancer. The chemical reaction between sunlight, UVB rays, and certain type of cholesterol present in our skin produces vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 and calcium together help to grow stronger bones. Children nowadays are at a high risk of developing myopia or short sightedness as they spend more time watching electronics. Children who spend more time outdoors in the sun were seen to have lower chances of developing myopia. Sunlight lowers the chance of myopia. Sunlight and serotonin. Exposure to sunlight increases the brain's release of a hormone called serotonin. Serotonin is associated with boosting mood and helping a person feel calm and focused. It is used to treat SAD or season affected depression. Vitamin D stimulates hair follicles to grow and deficiency can cause hair loss. Now, let's see the effect of sunlight and COVID. Sunlight helps fight COVID in two ways. First, it produces CAMP, and second, it acts as an immunomodulator. CAMP or cathelicidin antimicrobial peptide is our oldest defense system. It acts as a bullet that destroys microorganisms like bacteria and virus entering our body. In this, the first image is of a bacteria. In the adjacent image, we can see the walls of a bacteria being destroyed after being exposed to antimicrobial peptide. V3 acts as an immunomodulator. Cytokines are released by a body to fight infection, but in certain conditions like influenza, SARS, COVID, there is an extensive production of cytokine called as a cytokine storm, which starts destroying our own tissues and organs. Vitamin D3 acts as an immunomodulator and modulates and calms our overactive dysfunctional immune system. Because of this immunomodulating property, vitamin D3 plays healing roles in other autoimmune diseases where our body's immune system attacks itself, like rheumatoid arthritis, where the joints are attacked by our immune system. Vitamin D3 plays an important role in modulating it. And skin conditions like psoriasis, once again, where our immune system attacks the skin, the sunlight has shown to have healing effects. So, let's make it a point to spend some time in the sun every day so that we can use this elixir to boost our health and vitality, because a healthy body and a healthy mind is how we can have a happy life. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.